Alright, so today I'm doing a let's play of this random game I found on Steam called Squishy the Suicidal Pig. Hopefully it's good. I guess I get to make a deal with Satan or something. Hopefully my audio doesn't get over-recorded. There was a pig wearing a yellow sweater. He lived in a happy life on a farm with his parents. Oh, that's nice. Until one day the farmer took his parents away. No! Squishy, no! Dude, they were taken to the slaughterhouse, Squishy. They're gonna get cut up and they're gonna get their skin eaten. He got very sad. Okay. But then he had an idea. Alright, I like ideas. Squishy's parents had told him about Animal Heaven, a magical place where all the pigs go when they die. Yay! Alright. Okay. And so Squishy thought that all he had to do was die so that he could go reunite with his family. Oh shit, dude, Squishy, don't do that. Alright, do it. Fuck! Oh, you're in pig hell now. Oh, I'd be questioning things too. So that's a pig devil. Suicide is a sin, and you know what happens to those who sin, don't you? No. I don't actually know what happens. They get sentenced to eternity in hell. Okay. That's a perspective. But I am bored. Okay. Making a deal with the devil, that seems always like a good idea. Tell you what, if you can beat my challenge, I will send you to your parents in heaven. Can the devil do that? I don't really know about that one. Alright. Very well. Take some extra lives. Oh, hell yeah. 37. That's quite a lot. Huh. That sounds a little counterproductive. Welcome to the wonderful world of Squishy. The goal of the game is to run out of those lives you see at the top right of your screen, so basically start figuring out how to kill yourself. That sounds great. Can I break these blocks? Don't know what the controls are. Button smash everything. Yeah, it looks like the only controls I have is left and right. Yeah, and they don't give me any controls. Some of the objectives can be pushed around. Try to move that box. Alright. Yay, we're already making progress. How do I get those gems though? Like, I like gems. Shouldn't it tease me with hidden gems if I can't, get them somehow? I really want to know how to do that. Come on, Squishy. It's gonna be great. Use the trigger to detonate the nearest explosives. The explosions interact with objects including Squishy and boxes. Sounds good. Did it blow anything up over here? Oh, pressing Y. You mean like on an Xbox, since this is a PC? Yeah, it didn't really work too well. Oh fuck. I wasn't really ready yet. Okay. Pigs are pretty heavy. I don't really know why the hell that doesn't work. Alright, go. Yay. I guess you need nutrients before you kill yourself. Hey, what's this thing do? Oh, what's this thing say? Big red button turns the fan on for 5 seconds. Okay. So I guess the goal here is to collect apples. Seems pretty rudimentary. The closer an object is to the explosive, the farther the detonation will launch the object. Okay. Green and red triggers can be used every 3 seconds. Orange triggers can be used just once. Alright.